In this video, we are going to revise ethics. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Introduction of ethics. Study of principles guiding human actions, exploring right wrong and good bad is known as ethics. Relevance. This is the core of GS paper 4, focusing on ethical decision making in personal and public life. Objective: understand, belief, values, moral, ethics, trait, and virtues for UPSC answers. Key concepts: beliefs, subjective convictions, example, life after death, shaped by culture, family, media. Values, principle guiding decision, example, justice, honesty, influence behavior. Morals, personal belief about right wrong, distinct from societal ethics. Ethics, societal standard of behavior. Contextual, example, well norms vary. Traits, stable characteristics, example, big five, openness, consciousness, safe and ethical decision. Virtues, cultivated positive traits, example, courage, benevolence for good life. Interconnection, belief, values, moral. Ethics, trait, virtues, influence, application. Essence of ethics, good life. Virtue leads to fulfillment, example, Bhagavad Gita, duty focus. Beneficial, promotes peace, justice, harmony. Ultimate good, intrinsic values like summum bonum. Contextual, varies by society, example, abortion with default. Innate, goodness, human naturally inclined toward truth. Peace, Socrates. Abstract, intangible but impactful like electricity. Subjective, varies by person, society, time. Voluntary, applies for free action only. Prescriptive, dictate behavior, become operative. Descriptive, studies actual behavior to identify standard. Determinant of ethics, family, shapes values through upbringing. Society, cultural norms, expectation influence ethics. Legal system, law set ethical standard. Economic status, financial security, prioritize ethics. Struggle may prioritize gain. Media, shapes perceptions. Social media amplifies ethical debate. 1025. Time, ethics evolves, example, sati, now unethical. Experience, life events shape ethics, example, Asoka's Kalinga War. Cost benefit, utilitarianism justifies action by outcomes. Inspiration, leaders like Bhagat Singh shape ethics. Education, curriculum influences values. Powers, laws, celebrities set norms. Ethics, assessment of action. Nature of action, some inherently unethical, example, murder. Others, contextual, example, pollution. Intention, ethical intent is crucial, example, charity for wrong, motive is unethical. Circumstances, context justifies actions, example, breaking rules to catch criminal. Free will, moral responsibility requires choices. Analysis, overlap, variations and conflict among predominant shape ethical standard. Consequence of ethics, individual, positive growth, Gandhi, self-awareness, Vivekanand, purpose, Mother Teresa. Negative, isolation, Armstrong, distress, Snowden, sacrifice, Rani Lakshmibai. Social, positive, cohesion, post 9/11, better quality of life, Scandinavia. Civic, engagement. Negative, division, Israel Palestine, injustice, US slavery, distrust, corruption. Organizational, positive, reputation. Patagonia, moral. Tata Group, trust, body soap. Negative, damage, Volkswagen, low moral, harassment, distrust, Wells Fargo. National, positive, right, India's constitution, unity, Japan, growth, Germany, updated 58% renewable energy 2024. Negative, injustice, US slavery, divisions, Rwanda, corruption, Syria. International, positive, peace, UDHR, rights, Paris Agreement, 190 plus countries committed. till year 2025. Development UN SDGs. Negative: war, Israel Palestine, violation Syria, exploitation, refugee crisis. Dimensions of ethics: metaethics studies origin, meaning of ethics. Metaphysical, objective, universal truth versus relativist. Human constructs. Psychological, why be moral? Example, avoid punishment, gains happiness. Descriptive, ethics studies pupils' moral belief, value free. Normative ethics, virtue theories, focus on characteristics. Example, wisdom, courage. Duty theories, obligation, regardless of outcomes. Example, care of children. Consequentialist theory, outcomes determine morality. Example, utilitarianism. Applied ethics, medical informed consent, confidentiality, end of life care. Like AI diagnostic concerns in the year 2025. Legal, confidentiality, competence, access to justice. Example, NALSA. Environmental, climate change, biodiversity, justice. IPCC stresses adaptations funding 2025. Engineering safety, sustainability. Example, Morbi Bridge collapse in the year 2022. Feminist, care, representation, equality. India's women MPs at 14.7% 2024. Gender equality, stereotype, violence, pay gap. Like global pay gap 13%, India 20% in the year 2025. Application: public ethics ensure transparency, accountability in governance. Private, build trust, respect in personal relationship. Lessons from leaders: Gandhi, non-violence, civil disobedience. Vivekananda, self-awareness, purpose. Mother Teresa, compassion, service. Rani Lakshmibai, sacrifice for justice. Ashoka, ethical governance post-war. Notes for UPSC preparation here. Prelims focus on this is not important for prelims because in prelims this is not asked. Mains use case studies. Example, Volkswagen, Mother Teresa to illustrate ethical principle, consequences, and application in governance. Relate to current affairs like AI ethics, climate funding, gender representation. So this is the end of lecture. Here is focus on definitions like belief, values, moral, ethics. Dimensions like meta, descriptive, normative, applied. Examples like Gandhi and Morbi Bridge. This is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that UPSC focus videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.